So this, believe it or not, is a 1971 built, 1972 registered 911 T Targa right-hand drive. So somebody over time has actually featured this car, so it's now a SuperSport Targa in a lovely metallic blue. And this car really, it's got two ways it can go. It can say as it is a lovely Restomod SuperSport Targa, or we could turn it back to what it originally was, which was a narrow bodied 72 Targa 911T.